Hey everyone, Tech Vibe here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your TikTok account. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up our TikTok account. From here on, you're going to tap on your profile. Now from your profile, you're going to tap on these three lines in the right top corner. And from here, we're going to go to settings and privacy. And from here on in the settings and privacy, you're going to go to the account, the very first option. And under account, if you look down all the way at the bottom, you should see option that says deactivate or delete account. So we're going to tap on that. And then it gives you two options. One to deactivate, one to delete. So we're going to tap on deactivating. And as you can see here, deactivating is pretty much temporary. And when you do it, no one will see your account or content. Information isn't stored in your account. And then TikTok will continue, keeping your data so you can recover it whenever you reactivate it. And you can reactivate again whenever you log back in any time. So it's just going to sign you out and deactivate your account. So you click on deactivate. And just like that, you're going to get a code sent to your phone to deactivate. So you're going to enter the code, and then you're going to get an email or a text code. You're just going to enter that, and then it will ask you to deactivate, and you can go ahead and deactivate and log you out. And whenever you're ready to reactivate, simply go ahead and tap on it. You'll get a code to reactivate your account. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next